Kani kedai kerjashan Meghalaya ban ipriang sobhai pibaro syakani ketup kubor mentah kejan mit. Syabangin paish kubor kebabnya tung nepet cuai kimat kebakongsan. Bensyai u Dr. W.R. Kharlukhi ya kerukom tung MDC Shuse HKHADC. Wan I Avila Catherine P. Lindo Naga School North Liberty Higher Secondary School Haka Kerdan Meningkong Haka SSLC. Bat Khot Yakan Director ke Negerims Ban Penbet Yakarukam Tungkam Tungjam Hapdeng ke Kendung Kendram. Ki khubor ki babnya. U Dr. W.R. Kharlukhi ubalong u State President Barim kaseng NPP bat ubalong ru u MP ke Rajya Sabha ulapin syai bakajingjid MDC Shuse Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council kadang yat chakhaman. Katkum kajing ong jong u Dr. Kharlukhi ke District Council kalajid ya ke Kerteng baka sorkar kan sa shimpat ya karai ban pentrekam. Henry ulapin pau badon ki khap baka sorkar jela kasyat kentat ya ke Kerteng balajid. Da ka baay nuksa bawat ya ka Kerteng jong ukonrat ke sangma lakentat da ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council.
Ka nominate ko council yo siap mensuan nominate kenapa di state government ke syukur tu. Dia actually rules sih kebut nominate ke council ngahil dia ngah perkat bar. They've got the mandate of the people. We should respect the mandate of the people. The hanging and perkat lagi nominate, kita should get. Hang tegi nominate mengi mangi job mengi. Kita kena cing perkat jonga simen. Ini kemudian kemar ngamen tahu melongso presiden atau parti yang melongso sinong tahu MP. Cing perkat jonga simen. Ila yo ag mandate yang diberi, kita will respect the mandate. Ki ai there's no harm.
I Avila Catherine P. Lindo Naka School North Liberty Higher Secondary School but Elisha Agarwal na St. Margaret's Higher Secondary School kilawan haka kerdan ke Beningkong haka eksamen SSLC berang syupin mi isyan da ka Meghalaya Board of School Education. Sa arteli kiway pat ki school na West Jantia Hills District kilapau haka kerdan jong ka top 20. I Yulo Gumin Rilin El Suting jong ka KGP Sinot Mingi Higher Secondary School Jowai ilawan yakakedan kabalai. I Pidalen Malang Jongkasin Mary's Mazzarello Girls Higher Secondary School Jowai ilawan hakakedan kabapra hakaba la wan lang ru hakajuk kakedan da ira nam Miki Dekar Jongka North Liberty Higher Secondary School Jowai.
This year, in fact, the students, teachers, parents had all worked together as a team this year. This has been a very special year for us.
That I worked hard to all the year, put in effort, but I did not expect to get the first round. Okay, I thought I've done my best, I've tried my best, I'll accept whatever it is, but I did not ever think about getting the first round. So when I saw the result, I was shocked and surprised. But at the same time, when I think about it, I thought that, as they say, you reap what you sow. And I studied all throughout the year. So I would say I was surprised, but after that, I realized that God has blessed my work.
U Director ke Negerims u Professor Dr. Nalin Mehta u lakhot bandon ke jingekran halor ki kenrum kenram ki belami na ke jing thungkam ke belapin long dangshan. Kahinyotrap Youth Council dangshan kalakhang talay ka office jong u director dagba persya ya ka jingbam biang hakurukom thungkam u Dr. Mehta u lapin syai ba ka jing thungkam ka badang yat menta ka deina ka benta ki kam ki badang sateng hadin jong ka reservation roster habayakran halor ka jing sokhya jong ka HYC shpang ka jing duna jong ka jing thapkam hakalyang ki schedule trip u Dr. Mehta u lapin tikna ba lapin kre ya ki jubab katkum ki jing dawa Watla ompat shim lala banjubab yakani hapok ke hinyosngi.
For group A and B with 7.5% reservation, with group C 44%, as per that is how we go. And since it is a central government institution, we have to advertise. There is an entrance examination, and that selection process is an all India process. It is not reserved for the people of Meghalaya. Such incidents are totally avoidable. In fact, just to let you know that some of the members of the HYT who were here yesterday, I'm on very good terms with them. They were upset that I didn't respond to them within 7 days. Please don't do this. We are doing a lot of stuff here, and the response is not one letter. We have given you these responses in our meetings. You want it in writing. I gave it to you in writing. It took 1 or 2 days more. That doesn't mean you do this. You remind me, you talk to me. I'm not hiding anything from you.
UMLA Karanikor uba Pius Marwen ulalam khmat ya kajinglet jurib ba yasno aktilang ha ka Southwest Garo Hills District, West Khasi Hills District, ban pinbet ikijing e halor ka jingtwa khandau hakilai tali kishnong. Kamau shalya ka moilambi bat ka jamadwar. Ha kani ka jinglet jurib balapin long hinin kasngi layadon lang deki he sarkar na katanat Water Resources, Central Water Commission bat Brahmaputra Board. Kinong shnong kilapin pau ke jingbam sngohun halor ka jingpentre ya ki kenro banyadai ki yeng kisam ki jongki kablapin long ya kani ka jinglet jurib kani ka jinglet jurib ka thmu banlum ya ki jingmut bat ki jing ai jingmut ne kinong shnong halor ka jingpen baha ya ki jing shna kenro
wa umni ke bangi sekhot ke balakol kenda daka Brahmaputra Board kabukot saka khatha krur mat bapa khatha krur sane ke jingkai kala ya cecak kubat ye ini kama kadon tak kecaka kaba kasnong kam smohun kasnong kam smohun bai dai ke jingkai de ngilaya wan chigo ongne katati board daka Brahmaputra Board ada ubhe ke Brahmaputra Board
Lathawi ka Public Committee ka bathamai hapok ka kerteng jong ka Regional Council Demand Committee hakas ngi satjan haka jingalang bakerpang kabalalong ha babet para ha West Garo Hills da ka jingthmu ban pinjur ya ka jingdawa ya ka Regional Council na kabenta ki pat julum jong ka Jilla Meghalaya. U Dr. KC U Boro Menteri Berim ke Jilla Meghalaya ula Syathung kum u Chairman katba u Ananda Coach kum u General Secretary. Latau ya ka RCDC ban pinklan shushu ya ka jingeki ka badang ya chakmat ka belas dang da ka Meghalaya Indigenous Minority Tribals Forum.
A very specific committee called Regional Council Demand Committee of Indigenous Minority Tribals of Meghalaya, only with a purpose to intensify the demand of Regional Council that is already made by Meghalaya Indigenous Minority Tribals Forum. Our aims and objective is nothing but only to develop our people who are really backward in all respects.
Usai kat de usamla puli ke subjek BCA na Shirpi College ula Syakpen Kup Buram daka khusnam Bharat Gaurav Puraskar namar ka jingno senyang ke jong u syaka computer science but engineering. Usai kat ula pau pinpau ya ke jing songo ya ke college but kinong hikai. Daka babanjur ya ke benta ke bakrau baka AI kan pinbet ya ke jing but hakaliang ka coding. Nang ni syakmat udang temu syuk-syuk ban pulih ya ka AI but data sciences. Ya kini ka khusnam la IT da ka KTK Outstanding Achievers and Foundation New Delhi. Usai kat ula pendep ru ya ka online course na ki jaka pulih berper. Hakajuk kapor u principal ka college u MD Irfan Ahmed ula ong baka college kalapin kre ban play ka center na kabenta ka data science but artificial intelligence but betha usai kat ban hikai ya BCA.
Actually, he studied class 12 science from here. From that time, I noticed that in this boy, there is some resource. He has talent. So, since the Shirpi College has started preparation towards opening a center for data science and artificial intelligence, so I instructed him to join this BCA course. And many times he shows our wonders, some new data, some new programs he has written, some new algorithms he developed.
I got selected by Computer Society of India because I'm the life member there, and due to my cumulative effects of the work I did there, like writing articles, participating in their events, and doing many online courses from various institutes as well. So I think that's the reason I got it.
Ka Meghalaya Powerlifting and Fitness Association hakajing trilang bat kaseng samla umsning proper B kalala ban penlong ya Kelumpong State Classic Powerlifting kabajob haka open category ha umsning auditorium hall hinin kesngi hakani Kelumpong layo ya kajing wan jong ki babun ki nong ishim benta ki ba pin inam ya ki bor ba jingklan jong ki ha ki benta ba per jong kajing kop ra nar bakhya ki nong ile kai na keleng ki benta Jong kejela kilaya lumlang hakani kejaka ban yakop iwe pat. Hakaba kinong job kilayo pedang ya kitakma kapisa bat ki certificate kum kajing itu ya kajing job kejongki. Hakani Kelumpong lawan yashim benta da UI Marak officer in charge ka umsning police station u balalong kum ukongsan.
Pagani dia stage walai kene but hakani ke competition join component na point kita ni pada sekolah itu. Di nampak ni competition ni nak ban je kena qualify di national level ni nak ban apa ekisik baru. Di dong boxna permanta kene powerlifting ni kena abun hakiba simanta. Dengan sekambat urusan dong kalender dong pemikiran powerlifting ni terlambat powerlifting benai benuan ingin ka berikan ke squat kandang, berikan ke deadlift kandang, makanya ke bench kandang.
Kelumpong ilek kai cricket jong Ketura District Cricket Association TDCA Interclub Cricket Tournament Arjar Arhusan Super Division kalakut no hakaba ka Miracle CC kalalong kalado dak ba pinrem ya ka Gwari hakajing ilek kai final kabadang lalong hakasisa Jan Hamadan Cricket Atta Lord Grey Hatura ka Miracle CC kala job ya kajing khun da prapho khandai ron ka ba pin ya kajing klan bor ka jong ka kani Kelumpong Hakasngi penkut ya kini Kelumpong u James PK Sangma u badai u chairman ke MIDC u lawan banyashim benta hakani kajing ilek kai ringkat bat kiwaipat ki he sorkar. U Sangma hakajing ikran jong u penpau kajing songo ya Ketura District Cricket Association kabla penlong ya kani Kelumpong ilek kai bat ai khublai ru ya ka kunhon bala job. Ka Miracle bat ka kunhon ka bawan baar ka Gwari.
This tournament also, despite all the challenges, I'm very sure that TDCA must have faced, but today we've seen the successful completion of this tournament, and this is indeed a great achievement, and I'd like to congratulate the President and all the other members of TDCA for this wonderful achievement.
Kajing sedang ya kajing penmi boarding nakasngi bat nakikiu shat press cooker ki beningkong hapok ri India ki bayat da ka boarding jong kasngi kalairap shibo ni kinong shong jong ka West Garo Hills kabalalong kum u maujam u bakongsan hakajing jong ki kani kalong ka khubor
Kani khubor ka babha kalami hadin kajing pelat pat ba ka badang shen da Menteri Rangba ka Jilla Meghalaya u Conrad ke Sangma bat ka Global Himalayan Expedition Penpenlong ya ka Norong Grey ka Snongrit ka baha pa po dalu CNRD blocked West Garo Hills ban yo ka boarding ba penmi da kasngi ba dia ki kheu shet pressure cooker ba tray kam da ka boarding jong kasngi kajing bujli ha ka rukom shet na ka dieng sha kasngi ka long ka jingkar khu ba na ka benta ki long kmi ka snong ka ba pelat ya ki ban chania a ka dieng
tang dong cha khale nang dong cha to suran man bai mung na phego khuk lawo mi su chana manonga
Pihli Amerika kami light night ka, sorry, solari kami light agya.
Kirang ba bat kilong pa ka Norong Grey la penpau ka jo ka jing bala pensngau da ki kinthai jong ka snong bat ha ka jo ka por ki la penpau ka jing sngo komen bat jing sngongo ya Menteri Rangba ka Jilla u Conrad ke Sangma bat ka jing tray kam baklem shong that jong ka Global Himalayan Expedition namar ka jing le jong ki ban penkop bor ya ka snong ka thau baro ka wei
बेला हमको गांव में लकड़ी भी थोड़ा दूर से घर में लेके आने आ सकता है लेकिन लड़के लोग जो लोग खाना पीना सब कुछ होता है ना वो लोग बहुत ज़रूरत होता है इसलिए अभी एक मिल के हम लोग थोड़ा आगे अच्छा हो गया
सोलार 시간에 만족, 구시용족. 내가 생나라 아바이 야 김벌털리라 아바고 제 남넥적 더 구시용이 더 작가롱아 송이 띠버 송아 알아 라땅본 와티 동톡공 조사의 구시용 토끼
Haba plia pat ba ikani ka project min ha ka arpu pratarek uluber u menteri rangba ka jilla u Conrad ke sangma ula penbenai ka jingtmu ban le ya kum kani ka jo ka project shakish nongret ha keleng ka jilla da ka jingtmu ban penyo ya ka boarding na ka sngi bat ya ki khiu shet pressure cooker bala shet da ka boarding jong ka sngi shabaro ki longyeng ula ongru ba kani ka sin jam trei kam ka long ka ba kongsan ba ban pendunai ka jingpom ding bat ka jingmi tedem hapo yeng ka banwan rai ka jingkot jingkhya bat ka jinglong jingman ka ba seiso na ka banta kishnong ki thau
जेबो गे कोलब्रकनी प्राइमरी हेल्थ सेंटर को इलेक्ट्रीफाई का जो सोलर पावर ची या सोलर एनर्जी रंग को थिकना या हजार कोलब्रक नुकदांग रंगना करेंट रंग को साले उतना आ पालोनी bagapun biap ranguni engineer rang ko rembaja sawat hikyuk na chokpot ni antsini chadamberang dalu area ni chadamberang turani chadamberang west karo hills ni antsini chadamberang ko sak ritsasa sokponga chadambe engineer rang ko yarang training ko ne talo local mandirang ko chakhale yarang na jangi tangani chol ko ne
Laban kedaw hang ni baka dalu CNRD block hakaba kasnong norong re kahap kadai shibenta jong ke integrated watershed management program kabatmu ban pin kintiw ya karukom em jong kipat nong kendong lingba karukom penyat kababyang ya ke jingdon jing em mariang but hadu menta arpu khandai tali ki yeng na pleng ki sanphau tali ki yeng ki badon hakani kasnong kilayo e ka boarding kat kum ka jingtmu jong kani ka project Bureau Report DD News Meghalaya
Mentang ini pet ekajing long jingman kasun beneng hatura. Kajing kriat kalong 4 degree Celsius, bat kajing shit kalong 5 degree Celsius. Kajing singam kahau hau mentas ngi kalong prap holai na kashispa. Haba pai pat sha kanong ba shalong. Kajing kriat kalong khatsau 0.9 degree Celsius, bat kajing shit kalong 0.9 degree Celsius. Kajing singam kahau hau mentas ngi kalong 9 na kashispa. Kajing hap slap kalong iwe 0.9 millimeters. Kadba hajuai pat kajing kriat kalong khatsau degree Celsius bat kajing shit kalong 8 degree Celsius. Kajing siam ka hau mentakas ngi kalong hendriu phonyo na kashispa. Kasun beneng kan rang hatura bat hajuai kan rang habun kijaka. Kadba hanong ba shalong pat kalak bandon kajing hap slap kendo kemamalum mala hakikat tu kat ni kijaka. Ti parlok kat tungi lapoi syakabukut jong ketup kubor jengi mentaka janmit haduk mengne syambiang lasai kesngi kublai pi barok.
is being connected by a 21st century engineering wonder. I thank our engineers and workers for their hard work. This bridge is India's